Well, what a scene this has been. Let's talk about it. Joining me, trial attorney Janine Atamian, who's been with me all this morning, and criminal defense attorney Jeffrey Wolf. Okay, so Jeffrey, I'll start with you. All right, I'll start with you. I know you didn't get a chance to watch all of the cross-examination today, but just to give you a sense here, this is somebody who very clearly lied multiple times during the course of this case, this investigation. She lied to people about what really happened to Michael Redlick. Now she's on the stand and explaining why she lied, why she felt the need to do it, that her intentions were not to cover up a murder, but she was in a traumatic, confused state. She was acting in self-defense. This feels very much like the Robert Durst case to me. In fact, I just went on Twitter and somebody wrote me that right before I even said it on air, that they felt it looks like Durst. That you have somebody who was engaged in a lot of lies and is now asking the jury to believe them now. Why should the jury believe her now?
Well, I think there's going to be several things that the jury is going to look at in this case that maybe we're not looking at. And for whatever reason, I'm not hearing a lot of people talk about this guy being her stepfather on a regular basis. I don't know why that's not more of a focus for the defense. I think it would bolster their, claims that this is an abusive relationship and that she was defending herself. I think that when a relationship starts like that, it's pretty hard to view it as healthy going forward. But I really want to say, before we get lost in everything else, to allow the judge to shut you down like that without making a record at the end of your questioning, so the last thing the jury sees is you getting pimp slapped by the judge, is inexcusable as a trial attorney. You make a record, you ask another question, you do something. You do not say, "Yes, ma'am," and sit down. That was ridiculous.
Pimp slapped. I don't think I've been on this network for, 5 years now, 6 years. I don't think anybody's used that phraseology before, so thank you for being the first to do it.